Hey guys, today's video is going to be a fun one. We are going to look back on my beauty favorites for the year of 2010. That was 10 years ago, guys. We're gonna look back on that video. We're gonna see what my favorites were and see if I am still using any of those products to this day. I think you guys will be surprised because I was surprised. I am currently sick at the moment, so you can hear it in my voice. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to take like some coughing breaks. Okay, concealer. I have tried a lot of concealers because I have like, I don't know, you can't really see in this lighting, but I get, not really, I don't get bags under my eyes. I get they're kind of like dark circles, I guess you would call them. And they're really annoying, and I know it's because I don't sleep and because of my diet. So you'd think that I would try to change those things, but no, yeah, I just try to cover it up. The best concealer I have found is the Hard Candy Glamouflage Heavy Duty Concealer. I actually still use this friggin' concealer. So they have since changed the packaging. This is what the new packaging looks like. But yeah, I'm still using this concealer 10 years later. I actually used it today. In the video, I said I used the color medium. I don't use that color anymore because my skin is not as dark as it was because I no longer go tanning. I was a fucking idiot 10 years ago and I was going tanning all the time. Don't go tanning. It'll damage your skin. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Use a self tanner. So now I'm the color light and yeah, I still do love this concealer. It is a very, very heavy duty concealer, so you do not need a lot of it. And yeah, I'm still using it 10 years later, which is crazy. Just like concealers, I've tried my fair share of foundations, and the one that I have kept going back to is the Revlon Color Stay. This one is the Revlon Color Stay SPF 6, and this one is for combination oily skin. SPF 6? Is that really a thing? That seems like it's a joke. Okay, so I don't use this foundation anymore, but I do remember it being amazing. So wait, here's the thing with this video. Now I want to go out and buy all these products again because I remember that they were amazing. Some of these products, which I'll touch on, are discontinued. They're no longer made, so that sucks. But yeah, actually, I'm pretty sure Revlon Color Silk is still a foundation, and I remember it being great. And I definitely want to go out and try it again. I wonder if it's more than SPF 6 now, because that just seems like a funny number. Like, where'd they get that number from? Like, someone's just like, oh, just say 6. Okay, we'll do, yeah. Alright, sticking with face products. My favorite bronzer ever is the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder. So I remember this bronzer being so amazing. I would use it all over my entire face. I don't know if they still make it. I guess I could Google it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it looks like Wet n Wild has come out with other bronzers since then. They have like their color icon bronzers, but you can get the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer in Sunny. You can get it on Amazon for $18.99. Oh wait, plus $4.54 shipping. It used to be like $2.99. So yeah, that's crazy. Those are really the only products that I use on my face, I guess. I don't like to use blush. And I don't, I don't contour my face or anything like that. So let's move on to eyes. Okay, eyeliners. I have 3. The first off is my favorite gel eyeliner. It is by MAC. It's the MAC Fluid line. I no longer use gel eyeliner, but I remember this eyeliner being all the rage. It comes in like a little pot, and I just remember everyone on YouTube had it, and I think that was like my first MAC purchase, actually. I think it was their fluid line. My favorite pencil eyeliners is, well, it's a toss-up between these two. The CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, and this is in Black Onyx. The next one is the Revlon Color Stay eyeliner, and this is in black. I no longer use either of those eyeliners. My current favorite eyeliner is by Pixi, and I think it might be discontinued because I can't find it anywhere. It's the Endless, I think it's called the Endless Silk eyeliner. I think that's what it's called. But I do remember the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus. I used that for like years. I know I did. And the Revlon one was also really good. My favorite eyeshadow primer, this should go without saying, it's the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So I no longer use eyeshadow primer. I just don't. I don't really wear eyeshadow too often. So yeah, I just don't use the primer anymore. But Primer Potion was the thing to have. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should make a YouTube video talking about like staple YouTube products from like back in the day. Primer Potion would definitely be one of them. I feel like that would be a fun video to make. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, I no longer use an eyeshadow primer. The NYC Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk. Everyone used that as an eyeshadow primer too. Oh my gosh, now I want to make this like throwback video. I think I might do it.
Mascaras. Okay. I don't remember when this mascara came out, but before this one came out, my favorite was the CoverGirl Lash Blast Luxe.
I remember this mascara. So I remember I first bought it, I think just in black, and then they came out with like really pretty colors. Like they had a green with like shimmer in it. I know, like shimmer on your eyelashes, which is, but it wasn't like, I don't know, it sounds a little scary, but it didn't like, I don't know, I feel like the shimmer was just in the mascara. It didn't actually transfer onto your eyelashes. I don't know, but I remember there was a green one that I liked, and there was like a purpley one that I liked. I don't know, hold on, I have to Google this because I don't know if they still make this. Oh, no. So it came up on the Walmart website, but it says out of stock, and it says $24.68. Oh, Amazon, it says you can get it for only $5.92. Oh my gosh, but I know they stopped making this, so is this like a super old one?
For like, I want to say maybe probably the second half of the year, I was loving Maybelline The Falsies mascara.
So I still love this mascara. This is seriously one of the best mascaras of all time. I recently just started using this probably 3 or 4 months ago, but it's amazing. Like this is a must-have for everyone that likes makeup. Must own this mascara. It's such a great mascara. I'm wearing it under my false lashes today. Yeah, it's one of those mascaras I will continue to repurchase until they get rid of it. But I don't think they will because it's a great mascara.
Eyelash curler. I love, love, love my $1 e.l.f. eyelash curler.
This is like the older one that they make. I have a newer one, but I don't know where it is. So the new one is just all like silver. This is the old one with the plastic on it. So I just buy new little pad thingies when it gets like, you know, dirty and ruined or whatever. I just replace the pads. But this is seriously the best eyelash curler I've ever used. They changed the design on this like 2 or 3 years ago, and I remember I bought a bunch and one of them broke, but I still get this guy, and I don't know what I'd do if I didn't have this. I would go on eBay and pay a lot of money for this eyelash curler because it's that amazing.
My Coastal Scents 88 Warm palette, and excuse the disgustingness, it's really messy.
I'm sad to report that in my recent makeup purge that I did about a month ago, I actually threw this palette away. I had it for 10 years. And I haven't used it for like, I don't even know. I don't even remember the last time I used that palette. But I did use it for a while. I want to say probably like 5 years. It was a great palette. It had a lot of great warm colors in it. It was, again, a staple item if you were a YouTuber. And yeah, I think it was relatively cheap too. I want to say it was like 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks, which is cheap for a palette now. Because, you know, you got all these people coming out with palettes and it's like 4 eyeshadows for $75. And you're like, the fuck? Or at least I'm like, the fuck?
Okay, my favorite lip balm of the year is my EOS lip balm.
I used to love EOS lip balms, and I used them for years and years. I no longer use them like religiously. I don't use the ball ones anyway. I make them in like tubes now. And I do use them occasionally, but not as often as I used to.
Lip glosses. I chose 4. Because lip gloss and nail polish. Lip gloss and nail polish, they're my things. And it was really hard to choose one, so I chose 4. So yeah. This one is Tarina Tarantino Victorian Punk.
I remember that lip gloss. I remember thinking it was so cool getting it at Sephora because it was like a light pink shimmery color, and I used it for a long time. I don't think Tarina Tarantino is a brand. I don't think it's been a brand for a while now, but I remember I did have a couple of like favorite products from that brand.
My next favorite is NARS. This is Striptease. This is just like a great nude lip gloss.
This was a lip gloss that made your lips look like, I don't know, they like blend in with your face. Remember when that was cool to do, to have like dead lips or like concealer lips? Yeah, that was definitely a thing on YouTube. And I know some people, you know, still rock that look, which is fine, whatever, do you. But yeah, this definitely made my lips look like they blended in with my face.
Next is a Sephora lip gloss in She Sparkles, and it's a really pretty gold color.
I do have a couple of Sephora, they're in my makeup drawer. I do have a couple of Sephora lip glosses that I do like, but I don't really reach for them too often.
My favorite lotion of the year and probably of all time is the True Blue Spa Mystic Silk. Is from Bath & Body Works. It was discontinued. I have probably 10 bottles of this because when I found out it was being discontinued, I bought all the bottles that they had left in the store.
I have this lotion. I've had this lotion for over 10 years now. I'm gonna throw it out after this video because there's no way I would use it, but I really, really wanna smell it to see if it smells the same. When I said I bought like a million bottles, I wasn't lying. This was the last bottle. Oh my God. You know what? Wow. It still smells exactly the same. It doesn't smell like rotten or anything. Oh my gosh. It looks gross. It looks like all chunky and gross. Again, I'm not using this. I'm throwing this out. But it smells exactly the same. I think I need to do a perfume and skincare and hair care purge video because I did not know I still had this friggin' thing until I watched this video and I'm like, wait a second. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it's kind of crazy that there are products that I'm still using from literally 10 years ago. Comment down below if you want me to make a video talking about all of the like popular makeup items from like back in the day, you know, when like the beauty community first started. I think that'd be a really fun video to make. So comment down below and let me know if you want to see it. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.